Got one?
You ready? Let's go.
Shaking? I just found some dude laying on the ground. Got a shield? I think they were carrying Deadpool. How could he have shield on the ground? What? Dang. They just dipped like that?
No, I need ammo.
Want it 30 shield? Got one?
That hip fire is horrible.
I'm in.
What kind?
20?
Nice shot.
Where you guys at?
One guy, two guys?
Team, 2 guys. Rocket launcher? Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Help. Help. One guy left. He's got a rocket. He's got a rocket. No, somebody launch padded.
Where is he?
I think he launch padded. Somebody pick me
I am
up.
here.
I'm right next to the launch pad. If you're all here, it was definitely him. Do you see him? I'm coming.
Anthony says he sees him in the reboot van, but no, it's not the reboot van.
He's here somewhere,
It's like
though.
a 5-tick.
Ran away. Oh, I see him.
Where?
Southwest in this bush.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.